arguably, there isn't an amount because the facts are so grievous and serious with the prior record to expect that somebody's going to voluntarily appear in court.
Strong words from a Dane County court commissioner just moments ago, choosing to hold Marshawn-Giles on a $1 million cash bond. Giles accused of killing a young girl in Madison late last month. And earlier this afternoon, prosecutors charged him with 18 counts, including murder and child sexual assault.
In court records, he's accused of physically and sexually assaulting both the toddler and her mother and throwing the child several times on the night she died. We already knew Child Protective Services was involved, but Naomi Coles reveals how much more contact there was than we previously knew. Naomi?
Court records say that children told police that Giles threatened them with guns, physically abused them, and that Giles had assaulted their mom and given her a gun, telling her to kill herself. All of this in just the days leading up to the toddler's death. But when police trying to get CPS to formally remove the children from the home where the mom and boyfriend lived, CPS said it still wasn't enough to prove the children were in imminent danger. According to the court records, the only reason that the toddler's two older siblings were not at home at the night the girl died, it was because they themselves refused to go home with their mom that night when she picked up the toddler. They told police and their grandparents several times they didn't feel safe at home. This wasn't the first time the CPS got involved with Giles. I reported on his lengthy criminal history in Rock County in 2019, the string of incidents that landed him behind bars until last year. Now, we're also learning CPS was involved in that county for 2 other children, but ultimately they closed the case because they couldn't find a gun that the victims said they were being threatened with. Court records also say Giles had been dating the toddler's mother for a few months, starting in January. The mom said it started fine, and it was only in the few weeks before the girl's death that he started becoming abusive and controlling.